How to limit voice chat to 2 users on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to limit a voice channel on Discord to just 2 people. So if you are looking to create a private space for one-on-one conversation, this is exactly how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord and head over to the server where you want to set this up. And once you are in, we are going to create a new voice channel. So simply click on create channel and make sure you select voice channel and give it a name. For this video, I'll just call mine test for now and then click create. Now that the channel is created, simply go ahead and edit the channel by tapping on the gear icon. And after that, on the new page, simply scroll down until you find the user limit settings, and by default there is no user limit set, but you can change that. So set it to 2 users, so only 2 people can be in the voice chat at a time, and you can go as low as 1 or up to 99 depending on your needs. And once you have set it to 2, just click save and you are done. And that's it. Now you have got voice channel limited to just 2 people. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.